Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and today is exciting. We'll be talking about the AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean Plus Cetane Boost, my personal favorite product. To lubricate the upper rings, it's going to clean the injectors so there's a better, cleaner atomization, bump cetane up to 8 points in cetane, which gives you better combustibility, gives you more BTUs of power, rear wheel horsepower, torque. We're gonna show you how to use Bradley. This is our good man Bradley with his diesel truck. Show him how to stick it in.
All right, let's
just goes right in the diesel fuel.
I gotta shake it up?
You don't have to shake it up at all. Putting 2 bottles in, beat them to it. I'm shoving first.
Let's go.
And this is a good heavy cleanup dose. I recommend 2 16-ounce bottles in a full-size diesel tank. 1 bottle as a maintaining dose every full tank of diesel. You don't ever want to get it on your hands. It'll stain clothing and gloves. Don't ever save a bottle. If you ever have a half a bottle, don't just put the lid on and let it knock over in your truck. Put it in, just get rid of it. I'm gonna go around the block and see what Bradley thinks. A little trouncing around the block, getting some good old driving impressions. We'll see what Bradley thinks.
Wow. I mean, it does seem a little smoother on the shift too, right?
Wow.
Is that what it would do?
It would, yeah, because it's burning way cleaner, so there's less physical vibration in the torque converter, and as it cleans the injectors, each combustion chamber is going to go back to its original efficiency, and that carbon buildup really goes quick when you have dirty injectors and valves because you're not burning as clean.
Hot there.
Yeah, it is hot. 199, yeah. 99 degrees out today.
You think I should roll the window up for the video?
You can have it down when we drive it. How is she feeling? It's completely mixed in now.
Very, you know, like smoother on the shift, smoother. Yeah, a lot smoother. I feel like. Is that what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just you're lubricating the upper rings.
Not too much of a jolt. Just a, you know, smooth transition to gear. Because I mean, it's pretty jumpy, but every time you shift it, feel like you kind of get a nice little jump, but now it's kind of just smooth.
15 miles a gallon average. These trucks can approach 20 miles a gallon average with the right tire size, cold air intake, and a tune. On economy mode, depends on, and fluids. The fluids are very important as well, which we have a lot of great videos on the channel, changing all the fluids on a Super Duty. What's the closing notes we should tell everybody?
I think AMSOIL is the way to go.
I love it. Check out this video here on everything we did to a F250 Super Duty, changing all the fluids for the best performance and lifespan. By choosing the right fluids, your vehicles can run better than brand new. That's what you'll see here on the channel, so definitely subscribe. We'll see you back next time right here on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.